Okay, well, I went to get my Dart out this year and the fuel pump died on me. So I got this fuel pump off eBay and we're going to take the pump that I got in there out and replace it with this one, hopefully. Gotta drain the fuel. Kind of sucked because I was able to drive. It fired up and I was able to drive like half a country block and it died on me. Luckily, it pumped enough to get me back to the garage, and I ended up having to push it only like 30-40 feet, but I got off the road. So we're going to put this new pump in and take the old Holley blue pump that I got out, and hopefully it'll get us through this year. Alright, so take the cover off the old Dart and start putting this pump on. Alright, go pull the hood pins and get this deck lid off, and then drain the tank in. Wish I would have known that pump was going to quit working on me, or I wouldn't have poured that extra couple gallons of fuel, so I would have got into town. Alright, I'm going to get this deck lid off. Okay, so gotta get this tank drained. It's about half full or whatever, and I got to get this old Holley pump out, get that new pump in after I get it drained out. So we're gonna go from getting rid of that thing and putting the new one in. Alright, I cracked the line free and I'm just kind of waiting her out the drain here. There's the pump I'm going after. I'm gonna replace it with this one. Just got to get that fuel drained. I'm just going to wait it out. And hopefully this gets me through the season. Alright, I got all the fuel drained out of it now. And got the lines off. And I put the fittings on. I'm ready to pull that old pump out and put this new pump in now. Alright, I got the new pump mounted and plumbed in here, so I'm going to go up and wire it up and put some fuel to it and hopefully it works. Alright, I got it all wired up now. So we're going to put some fuel in her. Hope it don't leak. And say a prayer for our little Chinese pump we got there, and I think it'll all be good. We'll find out here in a second. Well, so far we got no leaks, so we're gonna go see if we can get this thing to fire up. See if we get some pressure on her, and maybe we'll be able to go drive her around a little bit. Alright. Well, so the fuel pump's making the right noises. Let's see what happens. Oh, she's a runner again. Alright. If you like this kind of stuff, check back in.